What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Patrick Era, and today's video is going to be a thrift haul. I'm thinking of filming thrift hauls like twice a month. These hauls are in no way to encourage people to just go out and spend all their money. I do work at a secondhand store, therefore I have a lot of access to clothes every single day, so it's kind of hard for me to not buy anything, especially at very affordable price points. But I think that it's really cool to make these videos to show you guys what I come across when I am looking for things secondhand. All right, so now I'm done ranting. Let's just get into the haul. So this item right here is this really cool Western style vest. It is genuine leather and suede leather. I love the contrast stitching in this along with the belt around the waist. I think that this is just a great layering piece, which is why I decided to get it. And I also just have a thing for Western wear. I mean, I have my cowboy boot phase, and I've had just like these random Western wear phases, and right now I'm really into the like leather collared vests that I see a lot, and I just thought that this one was just a really great style. I think that it fits super well. This piece is just very nice. When I saw it, I thought that it would just automatically be a nice piece to add on to just a basic casual outfit that I might be wearing. So that is why I decided to grab this. Y'all, if I'm stumbling over my words, please bear with me. I have worked a 10-hour shift today, and I just got home not too long ago. So if I'm stumbling over my words, just don't even disregard. The next item that I picked up was this really cute little scrunchy cutout top and Subversive basics. I know there's a lot of like micro trends that come and go, so I'm not even sure if Subversive basics are still trending. I should probably do my research, but honestly, I will wear something just because I like it. Trends do not faze me. I mean, I guess they do, right? I don't know. So this little top right here I thought would also be a cool piece. I'm definitely gonna have to wear something under her because I will have all my goodies exposed if I just wear this top as is. But I do think that the creation is really cool, and this top was actually made by one of my coworkers, and she sold this top in, and I just thought it was so cute. I mean, it's very intricate to me because I don't design and I don't upcycle as much as I used to in the past, but it just looks very well thought out, and I just overall think it's a very fun piece. So next up is this dress right here, and this is a sweater dress. I don't remember the last time that I've had like a legit sweater dress, like an actual sweater dress, that sounded so weird, an actual sweater dress. But I thought that this one was really cute. It's very flattering. I love how it's more loose at the top and then it slims down at the bottom, so it just creates a very nice shape. It has a very nice cut, and it wasn't that expensive, so I just thought that this would be like a cute dress that would be appropriate for the winter time. I have accumulated a lot of skirts over the summertime, and I could definitely still wear them now, but I'm realizing that a lot of them aren't as functional as I want them to be because I get really cold. So yeah, it's just nice to find some pieces that are actually appropriate for the season. So this next item right here, which you guys are just gonna have to see it in the clip because it's very long, is this halter jumpsuit, and it has this really cool print that is supposed to mimic snakeskin, I'm assuming. But the fit of this is so cute. I'm thinking that this could definitely be a holiday piece, a perfect piece for a dinner or a date night. I love how the legs flare at the bottom. I think that this piece will go really, really cute with a pair of platforms and maybe like a leather jacket or a fur jacket. It's just a very simple piece, but very sexy, and I'm all about simplicity and sexiness, so this piece I had to pick up. So I also went to the Goodwill bins slash the Goodwill outlets, and I talk about the Goodwill bins normally every single time that I post a thrift haul because I go there like every week. And I found this very cute scarf, which I don't have any scarves. Actually, I have one more that I got from the Goodwill bins a while ago, but I didn't have any scarves, so I decided to pick up this striped scarf right here. I think that this scarf is so cute, and it's like a New Balance scarf, which is very, very random to me, but hey, I mean, it is what it is. It's a very cute scarf. It's striped, and I just thought that the colors work very well with a lot of my outfits. It complements a lot of my outfits. And I just needed a scarf, so that's why I decided to pick up this little one right here. So the next item that I have is this. If you know the print, you know the print. This is a Poochie top, and it is just so freaking cute. I'm definitely going to have to wear like a bra under it, or maybe even like a very cute tank top and just wear it as like a kind of cardigan-esque piece. But it was just so cute. I don't have too many Poochie pieces, so I would definitely like to add on to my Poochie collection. If you didn't watch my last video, I filmed a video on my archive collection and I showed off a few pieces that I own, and I will definitely be making a part 2, and I will be featuring my Poochie pieces in there because I didn't feature them in the first part. But this is definitely a cute piece to add on, and I love the color, and overall it's just so freaking cute. So yeah. So this next piece is an outerwear piece, and I've been pretty slow on purchasing outerwear for the winter time because yeah, the weather is still semi-decent in New York, which is very odd, but hey, I'm not knocking it for now. But the next item that I found was this Ghani cropped bomber jacket. I only have like a Ghani beanie, but I thought that this jacket was definitely a piece that I would wear. I loved everything cropped. If you've been following me, then you already know that. But this jacket just has amazing hardware. I love the small little Ghani patch. I don't think that it's doing too much in terms of being like logo heavy, and the fit of it is very nice. Now, the one thing I will say is this clearly is not a practical winter piece. This is more of a cute fall piece. I will definitely have to layer this piece if I'm gonna wear it this winter. I'm just trying to figure out ways to be creative and make sure that I'm warm but cute at the same time. But I just had to pick it up because I just really love Ghani. I love the brand, and when I saw this cropped bomber, I knew that I'd be able to do something with it. So yeah. The next item that I came across was this cute furry bucket hat, and this hat is shedding sadly, but I just thought it was too cute to pass up. Anytime I see hats like this, I think of Horton Hears a Who. I think that was the movie where there was like the trees that had like a furry look to them. These hats always remind me of that. I just think that's so fun. But this hat right here is by a brand called & Golden, and it's definitely an older hat, and I'm not the best when it comes to fur. I don't know fur just from feeling and looking at it all that well yet. Some fur I do know, like Mongolian wool, but this one I'm assuming might be fox fur, but I do not want to lie and say that. So yeah, I just know that it is a real fur hat, and it is just so freaking cute. It's so much fun. All right, so I'm definitely in my loafers phase right now. So if I see loafers that are my size and that are like a cute colorway that I think I will wear, I just purchase them. But the loafers that I purchased were these cute black and white loafers, and these are Haan loafers. I am so obsessed with them. So the actual loafers that I wanted in this colorway were the GH Bass loafers that are very similar to this. And I don't know, I kind of slipped my mind that I wanted those, because normally I just buy everything secondhand, or I'll just wait for something to come in that's very similar to items that I want. And these loafers right here are just literally the same loafer. So I'm going to post a link for you guys if you want to shop a similar loafer to this one right here, because I just so obsessed with these loafers. The last item that I'm going to show you guys are going to be these Chanel booties right here. And these shoes I actually featured in my last video where I talked about my archive collection, and I just love them so much. I'm not really big into a booty or like an ankle boot, but these right here, these are me. These are me all day. I love the embossed Chanel logo that they have, and the heels are such a great height. They're not something that I feel will be too uncomfortable to walk around in. And I also love that they have like this little bow detail on the side, and they're just overall so freaking cute. I wasn't able to find the year of this specific pair. I tried looking on eBay because I found another pair that was in the brown colorway, but it didn't have the year on them. So I'll still be doing my research to see what I can find. But yeah, I just feel so lucky to have these, because most Chanel pieces, especially the shoes, I do not be rocking with. I'm just being honest. I respect those who do like Chanel and the style of it, but for the most part, it's a little too modest for me. But these right here are just so cute. So yeah. All right, guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to like and comment if you did enjoy this video. Like I said, I will be posting thrift hauls twice a month, just because I really want to show you guys all the fun pieces that I collect. And also, it's just really fun filming these videos, not gonna lie. So yes, that is the end of the video. Make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.